Waterways and wetlands are linking one habitat to the other, like bloodstream of the body, keeping all the organs are functioning. Wetlands are one of the most productive habitats in Sri Lanka by supporting natural communities of great beauty and diversity. Many wetland birds are large and colorful creatures, often nestling in colonies by adding so much activity to the wetlands. Many of the wetland birds are long-distance migrants that arrive here to avoid the harsh winter in the temperate zones. The relations between wetland birds is shaped by many factors. This includes the availability, depth and quality of water, availability of food and shelter, and the presence and absence of predators. Birds that use wetlands for breeding depend on the physical and biological attributes of the wetlands. Birds have daily and seasonal dependencies on the wetlands for food and other life support systems. Since the wetland birds rely on moist areas for food and cover, wetland losses and degradations have caused the decline of many of the wetland birds species. Therefore, protecting or restoring wetlands will help increase of healthy wetland bird populations. The wetlands and associated habitats are the present will determine what species of wetland birds will be attracted. All wetlands, however, are important to the wildlife. Waterfowl, shorebirds, wading birds, raptors, grebes, storks, kingfishers, and many other songbirds depend on the wetlands during one part of their life cycles. Wetland birds help to sustain the wetland vegetation by carrying seeds of wetland plants and one wetland. This ecological service that birds provide is very vital for healthy wetlands, as wetland plants are one of the main components of the healthy wetlands.